What's up, guys? It's your boy Alan here from Alan's Old School Garage. Today we're at part 2 of the Lebanon Valley Expo Center tractor show. Really good video so far. Go check out part 1 if you haven't saw it already. Let's get into it.
I think we just hit the Allis jackpot. That's a cooler. You can tell because it's got weight right under it. The Allis torpedo heater. Still using to farm hay, it says. That's beautiful. Alright guys, I get sidetracked. Just the FYI. Even if I'm going to like get milk for dinner or something, and I see like something, I get sidetracked.
One of these?
I have. Yeah, there's one in the other room. There's in me, actually.
Smaller, obviously, than that. Because that squarish body style.
Look, it's got a parking brake. Or height. That's for the deck height. That thing's cool.
It looks like a piece.
Yeah, Sears does. Craftsmanship. Yeah. Only thing that could get me to own it is if it got a 3-cylinder diesel in it.
You might.
A Lowe's, what? 1995 Lowe's.
How's it going today?
What's going on in here?
15-foot chain,
Oh man, I hear an auction, or what I call hillbilly rap.
$7 and 10. $7.65. $47.62. Got another chain. Got hooks right there. And I got 5, 7, now 10, now 12. $10, now 12. $10, we got a $1.
Parade or something?
This one's been a parade because it got a GoPro now. Is it just me or do you guys like love auctions? Do you think their music, they're so great.
What do you call it?
Hillbilly rap.
Hillbilly rap.
Old time days.
Okay, want to take one?
Yeah. Yeah. Check it out if you're interested, Cadet. Or Farmall.
Everybody was all over the place.
Farmall in. Okay. Some Olivers. Olivers are good pullers in the big classes. They pull good. Well, we'll come back to that.
But it didn't actually sell, so you still have another chance.
666. 766.
Should be very exciting. I pulled out of the field. That's right here. Then I made this board. So as we were going through it, I changed the carburetor. We were getting ready to run it. And this picture of it. We cleaned it, and then I pulled hay wagons. We did a clutch, actually the night before this show, and I won first place for best tractor of the show.
Oh, sweet.
Nice.
I like it. It looks cool.
Yeah, it's very cool. So it's got a 2-liter, 4-cylinder Ford.
Flathead.
Yep. It's got a 4-speed Ford transmission. We have hydraulics.
Yep.
3-point. We just got the original bars for the rear.
Okay.
I got a seat cover. I got some mirrors for backing up.
Yep.
So yeah. I redid the whole wiring harness.
Okay.
Because some guy put these on not knowing they're 12 volt. This is a 6 volt system, so he
Yeah.
blew the whole thing up. So we blew off the whole system, so we redid that.
I know the common upgrade is to put the 12 volt GM alternator on it. I like it. It's a nice tractor.
Valve. Trim.
Can't say I do the same thing with my little room light. Oh, this original is beautiful. A mower that? That's beautiful.
What is this for, son?
What?
What's that for?
It's a power outlet. The Allis WD. Cadet 122 is nice. I bet this thing would do wheelies.
I think you're probably right.
I bet you could probably pick up the front end.
Probably.
I mean, the motor behind the rear axle.
Bet you this with the plow in the back might do wheelies too.
Not with the mower deck. Yeah. I don't know, the plow's not much weight though. By the way, if you guys are watching, whoever was giving out the mints at the John Deere stand here, they're good. You're good people. Those are good. Jubilee. Here's a doodlebug. Tried buying one of them at the last auction I was at Wilderness, but it went a little out of my price range, but turns out it didn't sell at all. So I do got another chance to buy it. So hopefully I can pick up that doodlebug. Here's a Shepherd diesel. They didn't make a lot of these things. Looks like it's like a Ford kit or something. Like a kit out of Ford.
I don't know.
Because it's got a V8 Ford rear axle.
Read the front paper maybe.
Oh, homemade tractor.
There you go.
58 Briggs, 38 Desto transmission, 37 Chevy transmission. So it's got dual trans. 37 Porter on rear wheels.
So I'd say it was made in the 40s or 50s, probably because them parts would have probably had to be junk.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
These things are beasts.
I like D21, yeah. It's got a leakage problem.
Yeah.
It pees a little bit.
She's only 41.
185.
Yeah, I'm working on mine. I like it. Tractor boat, that's why I like it.
Boogie said the woolly. I like this.
Pretty cool little
Look at the
machine.
gasket they put on it. Do you think that would be factory? That big gasket like that? Or do you think it's something that they just put on there and didn't cut?
I think it's something they put on there, I would say.
And just didn't cut it?
Yeah.
Who knows, it might have blown last night.
Yeah. They fixed it just to put it on.
Boogie said. Oliver 66. Yellow. There's a Super 66.
No one needs to sell those.
Cockshut.
They're from Canada.
Cockshuts are neat.
Yeah.
1155. Massey.
No.
They like the Chalmers here.
They sure do.
I think this was the building that they had to reopen because there was so much tractors signed up. Here, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road in my power, chugga-lugga-lugga 5 miles an hour. On my international harvester. As the cars laying on the roads. Oh, that fears are cold. Rolling on me like a big parade. Late to work, road rage, easily the birds. Say paper, this black top roof and my payload. I love a Cub original, no fender. We have a 1711 Cub. 1711. So it's an opposing twin 17 Kohler. New Highland. We may be on state paper. This black top grass and up. Yo, look at all the coconut oils. Oh, that's cool. 1000. 70. 1772. There's one front generators. They're neat. Really neat. Mike's Cadet wheel. It's a nice cup. This one when Maytag hit Miss Motors, they would be ran on the washing machine. The original is sweet. Oh, whoa! This one Hunter is cool. V-flat. That is awesome. Here's some really cool stuff. Here's an original with a loader. Not that common to see one of these. That's cool. It's really cool. That Cub there, that 72, also has a hydraulic pump turn center. Here's another one with one of them beef plows. I've never seen that before. Here's a home light, Jacobson. I like that seat cover. It's nice. Pretty crowded over here. Everybody's observing these beautiful tractors. Here we go. Here's a So I learned that the other day that these seats on these tractors here, the colored seats are worth more than the whole tractor. I just learned that the other day. I just found out that this tractor is like one of 7, I think, or something. There's two of them. What's that? Oh, an hour gauge.
You keep your ticket.
Man, that's a nice economy. My Pat has a newer, one of the ones like a couple years newer than this one, and it's got the 14 horsepower also. This one got the double transmission, so you can put it in double low. That's nice. This one's a 71. 317. Warning, you are entering a redneck area. You may encounter magnified noise stations. The words players can change. That's all. This is like what my Pat has, this style. Check out this case. Loader
Log splitters running from it?
with a backhoe.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind having this thing. Mine is replacing the fryers, that's it. Yeah, that's sweet.
Alright guys, so thanks to Tractor Junk Company. This guy here who owns these tractors, he gave me a pull start for my little home light. Check out his channel, it's Tractor Junk Co. He's a little more intelligent than me, but not as good looking. So if you want the good looks, come to my channel. And if you want smartness, come to my channel. But if you want a little bit of it, go to his channel. Stay tuned.
Yeah, what you do, you put it in gear, and what you do, you push it, you know, see it clicks, now you're good to go. And when you want to stop, you push that back, and that's, now you're neutral, then you hit your brakes. This one here, you know, click in.
It's like a center deal.
Yeah, and there's your throttle on these.
Okay.
That one there
Yeah, they made about 5,000 of them.
Full start also.
You can either, for some reason, some had a hand crank that come out of there, and some had pull start.
Yeah, you wanted to get the
This
heck
one
out
here,
of
had a hand crank, so I put a pull start in it.
but it was
It's been like that ever since.
Awesome.
what it primarily was.